So I'm going to start off by saying make sure you always wear a gloves whenever you're mixing any beauty product. But in case you do not wear hand gloves, make sure you've washed your hands thoroughly. Okay, so I'm mixing this whitening product with 6 different items. You're using your base cream, you're using apple vet lightening cream, you need a fire whitening beauty cream, you need pimento serum, quick clear, and vitamin E oil. As you can see, I just finished putting in my apple vet lightening cream. It is a spot remover and it is 7 days action. Now I am putting 1 spoon of fair whitening beauty cream. You don't need to use this too much because it's really whitening. And then you're going to put 1 spoon also of the pimento serum. The pimento serum is really strong. It really works. And then I'm going to put a spoon of quick clear. As you can see, I have finished using this because I make a lot of this cream. And finally, I'm going to put like 3 vitamin E oil into my base cream. I'm not going to tell you the base cream I'm using, but I can tell you that it contains sunscreen. It does not have any side effects, and it is a very good cream that is easy to find in the market. After putting all these things, what you need to do is give it a very good mix. Like I always say, make sure you're using a plastic spoon if you're not using a mixer, and a very clean container which you use only for the purpose of mixing creams. Don't use a container that you're using to cook food to mix your cream, okay? So you're going to mix it very well. Make sure that all the ingredients come together, they mix really nicely. After mixing this, I found out that it was too much for 1 container, so I decided to share it into 2 and make it 2 container. And this little yellow thing you're seeing on top is the remainder of my pimento. I decided to just add a little because I felt like I needed to add more. So what you do after putting these things, you mix it. Face cream is really important. It is good because it reduces pigmentation and dark spots on the face. It nourishes and moisturizes the skin. It protects the skin from the sun, and it is effective for both men and women. Face cream, whitening face cream prevents skin dehydration, and it gives you a glowing, natural looking brighter skin. My face creams are always done with love. I make sure I mix the right amount of everything because I do not want anybody complaining. After mixing it, you then pour them into your very nice little containers. Remember, face cream does not have to come in very big containers because you just need a little, just a little you apply on a wet face or on a damp face and you're good to go. I usually do this not just to use for myself but to sell. So if that is the case with you, make sure you put them in really nice containers. After putting them, you're going to use your stickers to just make them look nice, to package. You know how it is now, packaging is everything. Yeah, after doing that, what's next is for you to just do your marketing, sell. If you already have your customer base, perfect, that's good for you. And then that is it. That is how you make a whitening face cream. You can do this in less than 15 minutes. It is so easy. And out of this thing, I used 2 base creams and 1 tube of apple vet lightening cream, fire whitening beauty cream, pimento quick clear, and vitamin E oil. And this is the quantity I got. I think they're about 15 to 20 or so, and then I'm gonna sell them and make a little profit while still making people look beautiful. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you can see more of my videos. And yeah, tell your friends about me. I hope to see you next time in the next video. Thanks for watching. And also leave me a comment.